Imagine doubling your sales overnight without spending an extra dollar on ads. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, one company boosted their ad clicks by 450% just by letting AI write their copy. And another brand sold 7 million unique products with a crazy AI driven campaign. Every single item sold out. This isn't some far off prediction. It's happening right now in 2025. How are smart businesses doing this? And how can you steal their playbook? Stick around because in the next few minutes, we're uncovering the secret weapon behind 2025's biggest marketing wins and how you can use it too. Quick heads up, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just educational content, so do your own research. Alright, so what's this secret weapon? In one word, AI, specifically generative AI. Tools like ChatGPT that can create content, images, even strategy ideas. No new technology is impacting the marketing world in 2025 more than generative AI. And here's the kicker. It's not just tech giants playing with it. Everyone is jumping in. In fact, 73% of marketers already use AI tools regularly to brainstorm campaigns, write ads, and work faster. Interest in AI marketing tools has skyrocketed. Google searches for that term are up nearly 10x in 2 years. What's the hype? Because AI is like a 24/7 marketing assistant that never gets tired. It can spit out a dozen ad ideas in seconds, analyze customer data faster than any human, and even personalize campaigns at a scale we've never seen. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to come up with fresh content or tired of tweaking ads hoping something works, AI might just be your new best friend. Think of it this way. AI can handle the grunt work, the repetitive writing, the number crunching, freeing you up to focus on big creative strategies. Or, actually taking a weekend off for once. And here's the real proof that this is more than a buzzword. Businesses are betting big on AI. One recent report found 92% of companies plan to increase their investment in AI in the next 3 years. Translation, if you're not using AI yet, chances are your competitors soon will be. Now you might be thinking, okay, AI is popular, but what's the real value for me? Great question. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this tech works. See real examples of it supercharging marketing results, and learn how you can start using it in your business today. Spoiler, you don't need to be a tech guru or have a Fortune 500 budget. Some of these tools are free or cheap. Before we dive into these juicy examples, do me a favor. If you're learning something new here, smash that like button. It helps this video reach more people and keeps me pumped to make more content for you. Thanks. So, how exactly is AI changing the marketing game? Let's look at a few eye-popping real-world examples to make this super concrete. The Nutella story. Even a classic brand name like Nutella got wildly creative with AI. They used AI to design 7 million unique labels for Nutella jars. No two jars were alike. Guess what? Every single jar sold out. That's right. They turned a simple chocolate spread into a one-of-a-kind collector's item for millions of people. It wasn't magic. It was AI-generated art meeting smart marketing. The lesson? People love personalized experiences, and AI lets you deliver them at mind-boggling scale. JP Morgan Chase's ad revolution. Banking isn't exactly known for wild marketing stunts, which makes this next stat even more shocking. JP Morgan Chase, a huge financial institution, started using an AI tool to write some of their ad copy. The result? Their click-through rate jumped by up to 450%. Yes, 450%. That's like taking an ad that normally got 100 clicks and suddenly getting 550 clicks, just by trusting AI to help with the words. Even this button-up bank said that AI wrote headlines. A marketer likely wouldn't have, and they worked. If AI can help a bank get that kind of boost, imagine what it can do for a scrappy business that's willing to experiment. Farfetch's email boost. Here's one more. Farfetch, a luxury fashion marketplace, plugged AI into their email marketing. They let AI tweak their subject lines and email text to better fit each customer. The outcome? Open rates on their emails jumped by 31% for certain automated emails, and clicks went up by as much as 38%. In the marketing world, a 5% lift is cause for high fives, so a 30% plus boost is like winning the lottery. And all they did was let an AI fine-tune the wording and personalize the content a bit more. Not too shabby. These examples prove that AI isn't just a shiny toy. It's a power tool. From food to finance to fashion, companies are using AI to get results that would have seemed impossible a few years ago. And it's not just big brands. Countless small businesses and solo entrepreneurs are quietly using the exact same AI tools to punch above their weight. You might be thinking, okay, great for them, but I don't have Coca-Cola's budget or a tech team to build AI. The beauty is, in 2025, you don't need those. Many AI tools are plug and play. Let's talk about how you can leverage this trend right now. This is where it gets exciting for you as a business owner or marketer. You don't need a PhD in computer science to put AI to work. You just need to know what's available. Let's break down a few practical ways you can start using generative AI today. Even if you're a one-person show, content creation on autopilot, struggling to churn out social media posts, product descriptions, or blog articles, AI has you covered. Tools like ChatGPT can generate ideas or even first drafts for your content in seconds. For visuals, platforms like Midjourney or DALL-E can generate custom images or ad graphics with a simple prompt. Imagine having an infinite brainstorm partner and graphic designer on call 24/7. That's what generative AI can be for you. Quick example, a friend of mine used an AI tool to write a month's worth of Instagram captions in one afternoon. She saved hours, and her engagement actually went up because the AI suggested some really catchy lines. Personalized marketing without the sweat. Big companies have long talked about the segment of one, tailoring marketing to each individual customer. Now you can do it too. AI powered email tools, like the one Farfetch used, can customize subject lines and messages for each recipient to boost open rates. AI on your website can dynamically show different product recommendations based on each visitor's behavior. Think Amazon style personalization, but for your site. You can even have AI chatbots on your site or Facebook page that can handle common customer questions automatically, so you're engaging customers even when you're asleep. It's like cloning yourself as a helpful sales rep for each visitor. Data crunching and decision making. Ever feel paralyzed looking at the heaps of marketing data, not sure what's working or where to cut costs? AI to the rescue again. There are AI analytic tools where you can literally upload your spreadsheet of ad spends and sales, and it will highlight patterns and insights in plain English. No more staring at charts till your eyes bleed. For example, some marketers use AI to automate A/B testing. The AI quickly tries multiple ad variations and analyze results to double down on the winner. Something that used to take weeks can now happen in days or hours. In short, AI can be your data analyst, alerting you that, hey, your email campaign performed best with customers aged 25 through 34. Or this product is selling better in Florida for some reason. These insights help you make smarter decisions faster. Brainstorming and strategy support. Stuck on a marketing idea? Treat ChatGPT like your brainstorming buddy. You can prompt it for, say, 5 creative guerrilla marketing ideas for a local coffee shop, or an elevator pitch for my new app, and you'll get a stream of suggestions. Not every idea will be gold. Some will be outright goofy, but it only takes one great suggestion to spark a winning campaign. Think of AI as a colleague who never runs out of ideas. Sometimes crazy, sometimes brilliant, but always giving you something to work with. It's a fantastic way to overcome creative block. Now, an important tip. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. You still want to add your human touch and judgment. The goal is to augment your marketing, not handing it over completely. As Farfetch found, double checking the AI's content to make sure it fit with their brand voice was key. You don't want to start sounding like a robot or accidentally posting something off brand because the AI said so. Use AI to get 80% of the way, then you refine the rest. Teamwork makes the dream work, even if your teammate is an algorithm. Also, start small. Maybe you begin by using a free AI tool to draft a few Facebook ads or product descriptions. See how they perform. As you get comfortable, you can expand into other areas. The learning curve is not steep. If you can use Google, you can use a tool like ChatGPT. Seriously. And if you're worried about the cost, many AI tools have free tiers or affordable plans. For instance, ChatGPT has a free version, and a lot of image generators let you create a handful of graphics for free each month. You can experiment without breaking the bank. In fact, you might save money. If AI cuts down the time you spend on something or improves results, it's like getting more output without hiring more staff. One more thing, and this is important for the long game. Keep an eye on this space. AI is evolving fast. What's cutting edge today might be standard practice next year. Subscribe to newsletters, follow experts, maybe even join communities where people share AI tips. Staying updated will let you ride the wave and not get left behind as new tools and best practices emerge. Here's the bottom line. Generative AI is not a passing fad. It's a fundamental shift in how marketing and business gets done. It's leveling the playing field, letting the little guys compete with big dogs in creative ways. Those who embrace it early have a chance to leap ahead, and those who ignore it, well, they might be looking around in a year or two wondering how they got left behind. The takeaway for you, don't be intimidated by AI. Leverage it. Start with one experiment. Maybe use AI to draft your next email newsletter, or to create 5 variations of an ad and see which wins. Treat it as your assistant, your collaborator. You'll save time, spark new ideas, and very likely see better results to boot. And remember, the goal isn't to replace your creativity or judgment, but to enhance it. As we saw, the best outcomes happen when humans and AI work together. Your unique understanding of your customers plus AI speed and data crunching equals unbeatable combo. Looking forward, this AI revolution is only gathering steam. Who knows? By next year, we might have AI tools that plan entire marketing campaigns at the click of a button, or virtual AI influencers dominating social media. It's a wild thought, but one thing's certain. It's an exciting time to be in business. Stay curious and adaptable, and you'll ride this wave just fine. Now, I hope you're feeling empowered to go out and try this for yourself. If you found value here, make sure you're subscribed for more cutting-edge business insights. And hey, why stop now? Check out our next video. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.